Hey there friends, in today's video we are going to discuss names of indoor or ornamental plants. These are the plants which are grown inside indoor spaces for decoration and air purification. They enhance aesthetics, improve air quality and create a calming environment. So let's start. Spider plant. Alovera plant. Star cactus. Amaryllis. Anthurium. Agaves. Cyclamen. Rieger Begonia. Rubber plant. Fittonia. Dracaena. Jade plant. Echeveria. Elephant ear. Azaleas. Zebra plant. African violet. Christmas cactus. Flowering maple. Jasmine. Clivia. Calamondin Orange. Gloxinia. Rieger Begonia. Bromeliad. Jade Plant. Silver Vase Plant. Peace Lily. Boston Fern. Olive tree. Pothos. Blue star fern. Barrel cactus. String of pearls. Pilea. Fiddle-Leaf Fig. Sweetheart plant. Bird of paradise. Dragon wing begonia. Watermelon peperomia. Air plant. Agapanthus. Agave Lopantha. Angelonia. Bamboo Muli. Bat flower. Begonias. bird nest fern, Blackberry Lily, Algerian Ivy, Blood Lily, Blue Flag Iris, Bougainvillea, Bromeliads, Bulbine, Caladium, Camellias, Cannas, Carnivorous Plant, Chrysanthemums, Carrion Flower, Cleome, Coleus, Columbine, Coral Bean, Coral Honeysuckle, Crinums, Crocosmia, Croton, Dahlias, Delphinium, Desert Rose, Dusty Miller, Dicea, Epiphytes, Ferns, Fire Spikes, Flax Lily, Geraniums, Ground covers, Heliconia, Hibiscus, Horse Mint, Impatiens, Ixora, Nostratimus, Orchids, Pansy, Periwinkles, Tunia, Phlox, Salvias, Sedums, Spider Lily, Yucca. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.